fuck? Look at these freaking clouds. It's gonna look nice today. I'm a horrible friend. I told Enrique I'd be there at around 9-ish. It is now 12:06. I'm an asshole. Sorry, Enrique. But I'm on my way. Alright, I made it to Enrique's house. He should be coming out right there any second. We made it. Finally, right? I don't get why that freaking first park was closed though.
I don't know, they're weird with their...
Nah, fuck you. I've been in this park a couple times. Actually, this is where I asked Nina to be my girlfriend.
Really? How'd that go?
It was, well, she said yes, obviously. Yeah, she likes this park a lot too. And this spot's pretty cool, look. First spot for this greenhouse. Looks crazy. Alright, right now I'm just gonna shoot the typical basic Instagram bitch Pokemon. Oh fuck, Enrique just saw something that he wasn't supposed to.
His fetish.
I shouldn't have had it in my backpack. Sorry, babe. Yeah, the time lapse came out pretty cool.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
It looked nice. This place is, I don't know. It looks crazy. There's just like so many different kinds of plants. There's just light piercing through everywhere. It looks nice. Alright, this is the shot I'm working with right now. I could just take it like that how it is, but get some water. Bam, droplets. Makes it so much better. Look at that, look at that. Let's get it. Alright, got a couple good Pokemon shots. Now time to put these guys away and bust something else out. This spot's cool, but this park has a lot of different kind of terrain, so we're just gonna move out, check something else. Maybe even come back. Oh, look at that over there. That looks crazy. Dude, I gotta get a picture of that. I like coming to this park because, like I said earlier, there's just so much so much shit to look at, so many different kinds of shots you can make, and it looks pretty nice. It looks nice. There's just so much different stuff, and then there's homeless Enrique over there. Alright, it's actually raining now, so we got a good amount of shots we gotta take off of before our gear starts getting wet. So we'll see what happens. Should we run or just walk it?
I don't know, you gonna record that?
Nah, yeah, I'll probably record because we're in this fucking little hut. When it comes to rain, it's just like we're fucking scared little girls. Yeah, we need to get those protective cases for our cameras. That'd be pretty cool.
Look it up on Amazon.
Just make one out of a trash bag and come back.
DIY.
DIY on the field. Birds are gonna sleep.
I guess, I don't know if we want to do some Dollar Tree stuff right now, but kill some time.
Yeah, you still wanna go to Dollar Tree?
Yeah, we can do that today.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright, it's almost the end of the day. Well, I have to leave, pick up my girlfriend. But we want to try and get one more shot. We want to kind of get this little guy and have some bubbles in the background or something. Alright, we're done here. Got the shot, went to the park, everything's cool. Sucked that we had to leave the park early though. Started raining. As soon as we leave, of course, rain stops. But now we're back here in Enrique's place. Got shots that I wanted. Pretty much polywag with bubbles in the background. I'll put the picture in right here so you can take a look at it. But it came out pretty.
Hi, I'm Enrique, Josue's new cameraman. He barely pays me like in cheeseburgers from McDonald's.